Welcome everyone to today's lecture on Project Integration Management according to ISO 21500. I am Devarshika Nigam and I will be guiding you through the essential concepts and practices of integrating project management activities effectively. ISO 21500 provides high-level guidance on project management and can be used by any organization regardless of type, size or industry. One of the critical areas it covers is project integration management. This involves ensuring that various elements of a project care properly coordinated. Definition of project integration management. Project integration management is a collection of processes required to ensure that various elements of a project are properly coordinated. It involves making trade-offs among competing objectives and alternatives to meet or exceed stakeholder needs and expectations. Key processes in project integration management. According to ISO 21500, project integration management encompasses several key processes. Developing the project charter. Developing the project charter is the first step. The project charter formally authorizes a project or a project phase. It documents initial requirements that satisfy the stakeholders' needs and expectations. The project charter provides the project manager with the authority to apply organizational resources to project activities. Developing the project management plan. The next step is developing the project management plan. This comprehensive document outlines how the project will be executed, monitored, controlled, and closed. It integrates and consolidates all subsidiary plans and baselines, ensuring a unified approach to project management. Directing and managing project work. Directing and managing project work involves leading and performing the work defined in the project management plan and implementing approved changes to achieve the project's objectives. This process ensures that the project team completes the project work efficiently and effectively. Managing project knowledge. Managing project knowledge is about using existing knowledge and creating new knowledge to achieve the project's objectives and contribute to organizational learning. It involves knowledge sharing and collaboration among team members and stakeholders. Monitoring and controlling project work. Monitoring and controlling project work is essential for tracking, reviewing, and reporting the progress to meet the performance objectives defined in the project management plan. This process helps identify any areas where changes to the plan are required and initiates those changes. Performing integrated change control. Performing integrated change control is the process of reviewing all change requests, approving changes, and managing changes to deliverables, project documents, and the project management plan. It ensures that changes are beneficial and aligned with the project objectives. Closing the project or phase. Finally, closing the project or phase involves finalizing all activities across all project management process groups to formally complete the project or phase. This process ensures that all work is completed and project objectives are met. Importance of project integration management. Project integration management is crucial because it ensures that all parts of the project are aligned and work together smoothly. It helps to avoid confusion, reduce risks, and ensure that the project meets its goals and objectives. In conclusion, project integration management is a foundational aspect of project management as outlined in ISO 21500. It involves a series of coordinated processes that ensures that successful integration of all project activities. Understanding and applying these processes will help you manage your projects more effectively. Thank you for your attention. Now I'd like to open the floor for any questions you might have about project integration management in ISO 21500, and if you have found value in our videos, Please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.